What's up, everybody? I'm Sonny the Vet, and welcome to my Friday free ride. So every Friday, I take you on a ride with me. We talk about motorcycle stuff. So today is kind of motorcycle stuff. So first off, I'm on the 04 vrod, headed to get some new shoes for it. I'm going to get some new tires, because it still has the tires on it from when I bought it. So we're getting ready to do some trips on it. One to Virginia, another one to Sturgis. So I figured I better put some new tires on it. So I'm headed to do that right now. But I've been asked a few times about my camera and microphone setup for motovlogging. So, just so happens, right now, I'm running the Sooooo Cavalry half helmet with a GoPro Hero 4 and the Bluetooth audio pack from Sooooo. Now, the reason I run the Sooooo Bluetooth audio pack is I'm wireless. So I'm completely Bluetooth. My camera doesn't need any wires to be hooked up to my COMS system. So I can take the camera and put it anywhere within a certain distance of me, and you can still hear me talking to the camera. So this is my original setup. When I started motovlogging, was this Sooooo half helmet, and it's done really good. I mean, right now, I'm on a vrod with a tiny windshield, a half helmet, and generally you guys can hear me just fine. But I just bought a new 3/4 helmet. Baby Badger just got her a new full helmet, and tonight I'm expecting 2 new Soonooos to show up at my house. So I didn't go brand new. I went with the 30. And I also went refurbished. Because the refurbished has a 2-year warranty on it. And they're considerably cheaper. And if you guys followed my channel for long, you know I'm cheap. But anyway, so today I'm going to show you the setup of those 2 new helmets, and then hopefully I'll be able to pull all 3 of us in. Now, a lot of people want to know why I use Sooooo over everything else. First off, because they were the only ones that had built-in Bluetooth to a half helmet, which when I started this was all I wanted. Secondly, they are also the ones that make the Bluetooth audio pack that allows me to be wireless. And so far it's been a really good choice because I had one of my Bluetooth audio packs quit working on me. It just doesn't work properly. And I got a hold of Sooooo and sending me a new one. I should have it Friday. So they also stand behind the product, which is great. Now I will say this much. All of these products I've bought and paid for. Full price, no discount, no nothing. Because I don't do my sponsorships for products. So we did have I don't even remember the brand name, a cheaper, like $85, COMS system sent to us. And we used it, and it worked fine, talking back and forth. But then when I went to record with it, it was really crackly. And I imagine that's because it was syncing with Soonoo's Bluetooth audio pack. So Sooooo says it'll connect to any audio pack, any COMS system, and it connected. It just wasn't good. Kind of like Apple, in my opinion. Everything Apple just works better together as an Apple product. So I'm under the same mind. Come on, dude. So all the Sena products seem to work really well with all the Sena products. So I have all Apple products, all Sena products make sense. Except for my camera, which is the GoPro Hero 4. It's the last year you can use that Bluetooth audio pack for. The video is fine. I don't see anything wrong with the video. It's just not the latest, greatest, stabilized, blah, 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 blah. But it works great for what I use it for. And they're pretty cheap. You can get a refurbished one on Amazon for like $100. Anyway, guys, we're here. We're going to get some new kicks on the ride. I'll catch you in a few. All right, guys. We got brand new cruise tech on the vrod. We'll see how they work. I put a cruise tech on the back of my Fat Boy, and I really like it. So we're going to try them out on the vrod.
Digger time! Mouse time!
Mouse pad time. It's a mouse pad, guys.
It's a mouse pad.
How cool is that?
And Angie's touching my mouse.
And you would know what that is if you've been watching our lives.
Alright guys, we got new stickers from Ty, although he was already on our mirror. He also got a new bike. So new bike, new stickers.
Yes.
We got an ink pen,
Cool.
so we can sign all those autographs.
Yep.
And then we got a poker chip for our Someday poker chip chandelier. Gonna go there.
Yep.
And then we got a mouse pad.
Yep.
So thanks, Ty from Tennessee. Go check him out. He's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the Twitter. Probably has his own, I don't know, own platform. I don't know. He's everywhere.
He's in Tennessee.
He's in Tennessee too.
All right. Yeah.
If you don't see your sticker on the mirror, then you're not officially official. So send us your sticker. We'll put you on the mirror.
We'll do a sticker exchange. All right.
Anyway, I've headed back to the house so I can install the new COMS systems and the new helmets, and then I'll do a test of them. So stay tuned for that. And remember, guys, if you like videos about motorcycles and motorcycle-related things, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we upload a new video, you can ring that bell icon. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, and leave us your comments, because we respond to them all. And let's see how the new COMS systems work. See you in a few.
All right, guys, as you heard earlier, actually the new Senas came in today. So I'm going to put those on my new 3/4 helmet, which is here. And then Desiree got her a new helmet, which is here. So I'm going to put these two on those. So we can test out all three of them connected together, all three recording, and so on. So this is the Sena 30K, but notice it says certified refurbished. So guys, I like having the good stuff, but I don't like to pay for the good stuff, if that makes any sense. So the refurbished, they have a 2-year factory warranty and they're $199. So basically you save $100 per unit by buying the refurbished. So I bought the refurbished units. I bought one of these before. Mama Badger already has one on her bike. So I kind of knew what to expect, but they do come nicely packaged, just like something that's brand spanking new. So let's check this out. So there's the unit itself with the mic, with the speakers, all in a nice blow molded plastic. And then the quick start guide, all the mounting hardware, extra mics, the whole 9 yards comes in a nice little package. That's essentially it. Then you got to install it in the helmet. I'm not going to take you guys all the way through the install on the helmet because I already did that once. I will put that video up here, but I installed it in Mama Badger's helmet. So I'll give you a quick view of that. This is Mama Badger's helmet. As you can see, the mounting bracket is here. Here is her communicator. And then inside here, all tucked away and hidden, are her speakers. and her mic. So guys, most of these new helmets have speaker pockets in them, so the speakers go right in those pockets. And then there's a few mic options, so you kind of have to play with it and decide what mic you like. I actually like the mic that doesn't have a boom, it's just a wire, and I stick it on the inside of the chin piece for Angie. I'm gonna try that up above on my 3/4, just like my half helmet has. We will see if that works. So, camera. As I said earlier, I use the GoPro Hero 4. One of the big reasons is it's inexpensive, it works great, but here's probably the biggest reason. Sooooo makes a Bluetooth audio pack that plugs into the back of my 4 and makes it completely wireless. So I will hook all 3 of these helmets up to this camera, and I won't run a single wire to do that. So for me, the wireless option is just huge. I don't have to mess with the wires. I don't have a bunch of them taped up to the side of my helmet or inside my helmet. It's just much more freeing. The other nice part of this is I can take this and put it on my handlebars, and when I'm talking, my lips match up, right? Because that's the actual camera that's recording my voice. Or I can take this camera and put it anywhere within range, and it'll hear me talking through my helmet. And be doing video. So that's a really neat feature. And I want to say these are like 90 bucks on the Sooooo website. Same thing I did with the refurbished units. I bought them right off the Sooooo website. I will say this, I had one of these go bad, as I told you earlier, and we should have a brand new one on Friday because Sooooo stood behind their product. So pretty happy with that. I'm gonna put all of these in the helmets, and then we're gonna test them all out. So stay tuned for that. Digger time! Mouse time!
Mouse pad time. It's a mouse pad, guys.
It's a mouse pad.
How cool is that?
When Angie's touching my mouse.
And you would know what that is if you've been watching our lives.
All right, guys, we got new stickers from Ty, although he was already on our mirror. He also got a new bike. So new bike, new stickers.
Yes.
We got an ink pen,
Cool.
so we can sign all those autographs.
Yep.
And then we got a poker chip for our someday poker chip chandelier. Gonna go there.
Yep.
And then we got a mouse pad.
Yep.
So thanks, Ty from Tennessee. Go check him out. He's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the Twitter. Probably has his own, I don't know, own platform. I don't know. He's everywhere.
He's in Tennessee.
He's in Tennessee too.
All right. Yeah.
If you don't see your sticker on the mirror, then you're not officially official. So send us your sticker. We'll put you on the mirror.
We'll do a sticker exchange. All right.
All right, guys. So it's the next day. I am now wearing my 3/4 helmet with my new Sooooo 30K hooked up in it. And we'll see what the sound is like. I have a couple different modes, too, I'm going to try. One, my 3/4 helmet has a little drop-down visor. Right now, this is with the visor up, and it's a windy day. All right, guys, so this is kind of second mode. I flip my little visor down, and since I have my mic at the top of my helmet, I wanted to see if there's any major difference talking with it down versus with it up. So we're going up, down, up, down. Stay in the middle, dude. All right. So this is down. This is up. Down. Up. Got it back up again. And now we're down. Really curious to see how this video turns out. Anyway, guys, so this is the setup on my 3/4 helmet. I also have it set up where Mama Badger's and Baby Badger's helmets should all connect into this, and we should be able to record all 3 of us. We'll be testing that at another date, and I'll have another video on that. But anyway, guys, and remember, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya!